How to unfollow someone on Tumblr. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to open your blog page. Next, tap on the following section to view the list of all the blogs you currently follow. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find a specific blog you want to unfollow. Once you find the blog, tap on the profile icon. From the menu that appears, select the unfollow button. The button will change to follow, confirming that you have successfully unfollowed that blog. Now the blog's post will no longer appear in your dashboard feed and you won't receive any updates from them. Remember, you can always follow them again at any time by visiting their profile and tapping follow. Now you know how to unfollow someone on Tumblr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.